Good morning, this is Keith All, and welcome to another episode of amazing tips, tricks, and hacks using the Builderall platform. Today we're going to learn how we could copy elements and pages using the Cheetah Builder. Right now I'm in my site where I have all these published sites within my Cheetah Builder. So the first thing that we're going to do is learn how we could duplicate a site. So we have all these different sites, and then let's say you wanted to duplicate a site. So you select the site that you want, select the three dots or the ellipsis on the site that you want to duplicate, and all you have to do is select duplicate. Now once you do that, it's going to duplicate it, but it's going to be in the unpublished area. So right down here it created a duplicate, but it's not yet published. So what you could do then is start editing the site, and then you could duplicate it. So that's one area where you could copy a site, and obviously it copies the entire site, and so it includes all the pages within that particular site. Now let's go into this site, and I'll show you how we could create or select elements and copy them. Give it a second to load up. Okay, here we are in the site. Now if you want to copy a particular element, you could do it in this fashion. Go ahead and select the element that you want selected, or you want to copy or use in a different page or even a different site. You select the element and you click on Save Element. Now I'm just going to call this test right now, test. Save as a personal element then. And now what you could do is then once you want to use it again, you go to up to Add, select your personal, and then since it's an element, it'll fall underneath here. You could also do the same thing with panels. Now when you do things with the panels, understand that everything that's on top of that panel will also be copied, basically saved for you. So you could select an entire panel in one site and use it in a different page within that site or within a different site, and I'll show you how you could do that in a second. So I'm going to select the elements, and then since it was a text box, you go under text over here and see now this text element is now available. So all you have to do is then select it, and it puts it on the panel that you have currently selected. So now you're probably asking, well, how can I access this copied element or saved element on a different site? So let's go out of here. Let's save this first. Okay, now let's go back to our main area of our web pages. Now this was done in the dog walker template. So let's go over here, home button, and let's just select this site. Edit page. So okay, now I'm in a different site and a different page. So if I wanted to select that element that I saved as a personal element from a different site, then all I have to do is go up to Add. Let's see, I'm going to make sure I have this panel selected. Okay, Add, and then go to Personal Elements. Give it a second. Go to Text, and there's that text element. Now previously I had saved an element on this particular site, but let's go and click on that. And there's that text element that we saved. So that's how you could save elements, no matter what they are, box elements, button elements, panels, or whatnot. And that's how you can access these elements in a different site or a different page. Again, within the same site or within a different site. Now I'm going to show you something else. Let's get out of here. I'm not going to save it. And let's say that I'm in this particular site and you wanted to select a page within this site, and you want to just copy that entire page, no matter how many elements are on that page, and you want to use that page in a different site. So let's go to Create New Page, scroll all the way down, and it says here blank page. You want to create a blank page, or do you want to select My Pages or Page Templates? I'm going to select My Pages. Okay, and if you scroll down just a little bit, it says here, now select which site or template you want to copy the page from. So what it's going to do is going to give you a drop-down list of all the websites that you currently have built, and you're able to select from there, and it gives you this list. So let's say I want to select this site here, and now it says which page from that particular site do I want to copy into the site that I'm currently working with. So again, we're going to select this, and I only have one page from that site. Select Home, and then select Save. Oh, I gotta title this, so I'm just going to call it Test. Scroll back down, click Save, and now what it did was it copied that page from a different site into this site I'm currently working with. So let's edit the page. And there it is. That's this page that I selected from another site, and I just basically imported it into this site. So hopefully this tutorial gave you some new ways to work within the Cheetah Builder using the Builderall platform, and to help you understand a little bit more about copying elements or copying pages and making them available to other sites that you're currently working with. Remember to subscribe to my channel and click on that bell notification so whenever a new video is ready, you'll be first to be notified of it. And also, please like, share, and comment I appreciate your support. Let's make this interactive. If you have new ideas for another tutorial, put them in the comments below, and I'll make sure I work on it for you. Thanks again. You have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.